So I'm going to show two methods. So method number one is, before that, just ensure that you have latest Chrome browser. So click on this about Google. So this is the latest versions. So it's a 64-bit. So closing this and go to the selenium.dev/downloads. So here, right, once you go to the download sections, you can see these browser sections. Just click on this. I just want to ChromeDriver, right? So I need to go to this. Click on this documentations. And the documentations you can download here for Mac machine and Windows machine. So this is the latest stable release. So I'm just gonna click this for downloading. ChromeDriver, right? Even if you have 64-bit browser, you can use this 32 because only 32 is available. So just download this, download it. You need to extract this. So it's open. I'm just copying this. Copy it. I have a Selenium library files. So on my desktop, copying it. And the drivers, right? I need to place this. Cool. Done. So everything is done. Once it is done, right, open your Eclipse and I'm going to create the file under test. So class files, new class. So launch Chrome. So just click on finish. It's open. So here, right, system.set property. So here I have to provide the key. Key is nothing but the Chrome WebDriver. This is the syntax. Just follow this. Chrome.driver. So here key is nothing but the path. So I need to give the path where you save the Chrome driver. So here I have saved it, right? Just copy this location and paste it here. And you need to give the exe file. So /. Cool. So come on, done. Now I need to launch the browser, right? So I need to declare the files. So I need to declare the driver equal to new ChromeDriver. So now the error is gone and I need to download this driver, input driver. So I need to download the WebDriver. So it's done, sure. So now what I need to do is I need to open the URL driver.get in syntax. So I'm going to open my website in double quotes. So everything is fine. File, save it, click run. So I'm getting this error. Selenium files. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. I missed all. So we're going to run, launch. The URL is redirected and it is open successfully. So that's it. Now I'm just closing it. This is the way you can simply open ChromeDriver using the system set property. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks. Thank you. Bye.